This is a brand new 2015 BMW X1. This crossover has a Steptronic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include an 8-speaker stereo system, alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, a leather-wrapped shift knob, BMW individual composition, front side impact airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Thank you for considering Classic BMW, your BMW destination for your next new or pre-owned luxury vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at Spring Creek in the Tollway in Plano. We look forward to serving you.